Hi lovelies, welcome back to my channel. I hope you're all doing really well. So guys, in today's video we are going to be doing another Yesstyle collab. So I will put all my coupon codes on screen and I will link them all down below as well as the products that I mentioned in today's video, which are all with working with Yesstyle. Again, I am so happy. I love Yesstyle. This is my third collaboration with Yesstyle and I just love their products. I use them, some of the products that I've been gifted before I now use in my everyday makeup routine. And if you'd like to see my 20-minute get ready with me, ready for work, ready for the day, basically it's kind of what I'm wearing today, to be honest. But obviously the foundation, the base and everything like that will be in a separate video. Yes, I am dressed exactly the same as probably my last couple of previous videos or ones that will come after this video as well, because I'm bulk filming today, because I know that next week I'm on lates and it's very hard for me to upload, film and all that jazz. So if I pre-film, it just makes life a lot easier. So yes, I'm working with Yesstyle. Mainly these products are focused on the eyes this time. So I did get some nice products for like base products before, but this is just going to be featured on the eyes. So that's all I'm going to be showing you, and the products in here and how I applied them. So jumping straight in guys, we are up close and personal. I'm going to show you how I did this eye on this one. So starting off, we're going to use the Holika what's this called? Holika My Fave Pinkology Mood Eye Palette. This little eye palette is gorgeous. It's perfect for travel if you like all these kinds of neutrally pinks, which are all in at the moment guys. So I'll just run through the shade names for you. So we have Tutu, which is this one. How beautiful is that? Then we've got Baby Ballerina. And then we have Blink. We then have Pink Vibes, which is this one. We then have Brownie, which is that gorgeous brown in the middle. And then we have Dolly, which is that beautiful baby pink. We then have the shade Shell, which is like a skin tone colour. We have Rose in the middle, which is like a nice shimmer. So on the end we have a hint of pink, just that, which is quite next to my skin tone. So obviously I've been kindly sent out these products from Yesstyle for their Blossom collab kind of thing, and I just thought I'd sit down today and just show you. It's very minimal, very something that I'd wear on a daily basis with going to work and everything. So it is beautiful. I've done a little bit of a hot wing and I've used these lashes. Me applying these lashes obviously are not in the Yesstyle collab, so I have done a little TikTok, a little bit of a shorts, like applying these and doing the whole face and everything like that. So obviously in today's video it is just mainly the eyes and the cheeks. So I hope you enjoy. Taking the first shade, which I took, was Cookie. I'm going to apply that to the outer corner of the eye. I'm just patting that into the Cookie shade. Sorry, the Brownie shade. I've just got cookies and brownies on my mind. So I'm just going to take that and pop that into the outer corner.
Baby, you give me ice and fire.
These palettes are amazing, especially if you don't like wearing a lot of makeup. Yesstyle is very much on the clean girl aesthetic, which I absolutely love, and some of their products that I've had, because this is my third collaboration with them, which I'm super grateful to be doing. Most of their products that they've sent me have actually ended up in my everyday makeup bag. So if you guys are interested in seeing my current new updated everyday makeup, let me know down below and I'll sort that out. All my links and codes will be down below as always in these videos. Doing these collabs for the last 3 months, I want to say. I'm a massive fan. I'm just going to take a clean fluffy brush and I'm just blending with this. I'm not using any extra product. I'm going to go into the shade Shell and I'm just going to blend that out on top. I'm going to go into the shade Dolly. I've got to say, this is probably, apart from the shimmer, because you all know I love shimmer, is one of my favourite mattes in the palette. It's just a really nice soft pink. And then all I did was take my finger into the shade Blink, which is that beautiful shimmer shade. It's an absolutely stunning shimmer and I literally just pop that all over the lid. The shimmers from Yesstyle, oh my god, I love. These Korean shimmers are just gorgeous. Dinto, I think that's how you pronounce the name. I'm really sorry if I botched them up. So this is Dinto 1 by 1 eye definer in the colour 412 in the light. It's like a nice brown eyeliner. I love their black wing eyeliner that they sent me in the last collab. I use it every single day.
Baby, you give me midnight.
So I'm just going to go off camera, apply these lashes. Like I say, you will see those in a TikTok and a shorts coming up soon, how I applied them. But obviously it's not part of the collab, so I can't put it in this video. So the next thing I went in with was the Luxe Gel Eyeliner. So this is in number 10 White Pearl, and I just put that in my waterline, a little bit in the inner corner and on my brow bone as well.
Don't leave me here high and dry. Oh.
So for blush, guys, we're going to be using this one from Yesstyle, and this is in Naming. The brand's called Naming, and it's their fluffy blush in the shade Toast. So the packaging is in this cute little packaging, guys. So taking a brush, I'm just going to go straight into this blush and apply it to the cheeks. So this is the finished look, guys, using all of, obviously, Yesstyle products in today's collaboration. Oh my god, I'm in love with this. It's so simple, but it just screams to me spring. Spring has sprung, and it's definitely sprung on my channel today. And it's very minimal, very nice and fresh, which I absolutely love. I forgot all about using this in today's video. I'm really sorry. But this is the Art Class by Robin brush toolbox. So you get these little brushes, which are absolutely gorgeous. They are so soft. They feel absolutely beautiful. So I'm just going to blend. Oh, that feels so nice on the eye. Feels really lovely and soft. And then we also have a little blush brush, which feels absolutely so soft. That feels beautiful. I'm so sorry, I completely forgot about the little brushes to use them in today's tutorial, but I will use those in an upcoming video. So thank you so much, Yesstyle, for sending me these. So also in that little box, I got a brush cleaner, which will come in very much in handy because my brushes yet again need washing. It's from the brand Too Cool for School, and it's their Art Class gentle and soft daily cotton pads in here. So I was so excited about using the makeup products that I completely forgot about these, but these will definitely come in handy. So thank you so much for Yesstyle for collaborating with me in today's video. Like I said, all my links will be on screen and down below. All products that I used in today's video will be linked down below, so you guys can go check them out if you want to. So if you did like today's video, give it a big thumbs up, subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, so you don't miss out on new things that are coming to my channel, guys. So hit that notification bell so you're updated every time I upload a new video, which is twice a week here on my channel. So I hope you enjoyed today's video. If you did, I love you so much, and welcome to the glam fam, the girly glam fam, that's what I'm calling it. I hope you enjoyed, and I will see you in the next one. Bye.